A very important part of integrated pest management is coming through and doing a very thorough inspection so that we can work out where the pest problem is, what the pest problem is, and then what we are going to do about it. In conjunction with you, we can come up with a plan, we take into account your working hours, the conditions that you have in terms of maybe your kitchen if it's a commercial site. What are we actually going to do together to solve this problem? The first part of an integrated pest management program is what can we do to exclude the pests in the first place? Think of fly screens. They're very good at excluding flies, but what can we do to exclude, say, cockroaches? What can we do to exclude rodents? There's a whole raft of measures that we can actually do to keep the pest problem on the outside of your property in the first place. The next part of an integrated pest management program is restricting the pests' access to food, water and shelter. By controlling those three things, we can make sure that our pest management treatment program is as effective as it can be. If the only food that is available for the pests that we're going after is the gel baits or the rodent bait, we get a very high level of control quite quickly. Think of a rat-infested garbage room. If they have access to a large amount of high protein-based food, they're going to go for that every single time over and above the rodent bait that we put out for them. Cockroaches in a kitchen. If there's a lot of high protein food scraps around, they're going to go for that before they go for our gel baits. So if we can have a very high level of hygiene across the board, that means that the pests are going to have to go looking for food. The only food that will be available for them is what we have provided. If they're out there searching and looking, it means they will then be travelling over the treated zones that we've created. So we start to get a multiplying effect in terms of the different control measures that we are using.